Hello, in this video I will talk to you about how you can import Trello cards from CSV file or how you can export Trello cards from CSV file. So for this, first you have to open Trello in front of you. As you can see that the Trello board is already open in front of me. And now I want to export these cards into the CSV file. For this, you will see that in your right corner there is an option about menu. Select that option, scroll down and go to the option which is about more, and scroll down. Here you will see that there is an option which is about print and export. Select the option. When you select the option, you will see that you have two options to export a file. The first option is about export as JSON and the second option is about export as CSV. Now if you want to export the file as CSV, you have to try the business class, that is for 14 days free, and now you have to pay up for this as well. Now if you want to import CSV files into the Trello, for this you have to open the spreadsheet in front of you. Here you will see that I have some list and ideas here added. Now if I want to add this list into the Trello, first I have to export that list into the CSV format. And for this you have to make sure that the list column is same. This is required by the Trello. Now I want to export this file as a CSV format. Change the type file and select the options about CSV format. When you save the file as CSV format, you have to log into the Wizard account. When you log into the Wizard account, you will see an option to export the file into the Trello. So that's how you can export the file and import the file in the CSV format. Thank you.